Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to use the power sharing to charge other devices using this phone. Actually, if you enable the power share option in this device, then we can easily charge other devices like smartphone, the other phones that support the wireless charging like that, okay, by placing them on the back of your phone. So to enable this one, for this, go to settings, and here you can see the option battery. Now scroll down, tap on the option wireless power sharing. First of all, we need to enable this one. So here you can see how to do this one. Okay, now this is my iPhone. Now I am going to put this iPhone back of this device. Yeah, now you can see it is charging, right? So simply in this way we can use the wireless power sharing to other devices in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.